Greetings, I'm Lorendi Roos.
And I'm Bob Stye, and we're here to talk about our exciting new podcast, Work With Me.
For over 30 years, I've consulted hundreds of management teams and advised more than 100 asset purchases, mergers, and company acquisitions.
And I have worked in various industries as an employee and employer, and once I got fired from 3 temp jobs in the same week.
Wow, Bob. Well, our podcast will give insight and discussions from all current issues involving the new world of hiring and educating and retaining employees.
We will also discuss what employees are looking for in this crazy new time.
We'll have exciting open discussions with guests throughout the business industry.
This will be an interactive podcast that will allow you to give your thoughts on employment issues in this new century.
This will not only be entertaining, but we're hoping you'll find it inspirational as well.
And expect a lot of laughs.
So join us for our first Work With Me podcast on June 5th.
Get more information at workwithmepodcast.com. Please spread the word, and we look forward to hanging with you very soon.
And Bob, did you really get fired from 3 temp jobs in the same week?
Save it for the show, Lorendi.